In this video you will learn how to download and install Java JDK on Windows and how to set the Java home environment variable. So open up your browser and simply search for Java JDK Oracle. Click on it, scroll here and simply click on Windows, and here this one, which is MSI installer, we have to download this one. So as you can see, it is downloading. Now let's quickly install it. Click next. Click close. Now go to your C drive, and inside the C drive program files, then you will see Java. Inside Java JDK bin, and here you can simply copy this path. When you copy this path, you can close it and simply search for envir, and you will see this edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variables. Under the system variables, select path, click edit, and then click new and simply paste the path here. Then click OK. Then click new, and here we are going to set the Java home variable. So you type Java underscore home and variable value, paste the path here. Now remember, here you have to remove this /bin from it. Okay, remove the /bin from it and click OK. Click OK and click OK. Then open up the command prompt and write java --version. So here you will see the Java version, that is, it is installed and set successfully in our system.